Tameni is mean that for, in order to, for the benefit of, because of, as a result of something. You can translate, you have quite many meaning, but when you translate for the sentence, you should know how to translate for to suitable for the situation or what the meaning of the sentence explaining. So you have many meaning, but you should know how to translate when you translate to English. So in Japanese, when you use the grammar of Tameni, that means you can use the verb, noun, and adjective, including non-adjective and adjective. In here, when you use the verb, you just in here you can use in the dictionary form, right? And when you use with the noun, you should put the note between the noun and Tameni. And when you use with the adjective na, you should end by na adjective. You should end by na and followed by Tameni. Adjective, you don't need to change anything. Just use, for example, utsukushi Tameni. Right. So they write ni in the blacks, right? But that means sometimes you don't need to use ni, but sometimes you can use ni. For example, sometimes you can say Tameni, but sometimes you don't need, just say tame and comma, something like this. And next sentence. So to make more understand about how to use the grammar of Tameni, the next we are going to see some example of how to use. The first example, 日本へ旅行をするために貯金しています。日本へ旅行をするために貯金しています。This means in English, I'm saving money to travel to Japan. I'm saving money to travel to Japan. In this sentence, you see that they use the verb, right? In here, they use the verb する, which is in the dictionary form. So after that, followed by 貯金してます. That means you do something for something, right? Actually, when you use the grammar of Tameni, that means you do something for something. For example, in here they use 日本へ旅行するために right, to travel in Japan. Can translate. 貯金してます. Saving money. I'm saving money, right? So actually, when you use the grammar of Tameni, that means you do something for something. For example, you work hard you work hard for your family, right? You work hard to earn money for your children. You work hard to earn money for your loved parent, right? Your relative, or anything you can do. You can say Tameni. Or あなたのために私は仕事をしています。Right? For example, that means I work this for you. Right? I do this for you. Next example, 彼氏に会うために東京に行きます。彼氏に会うために東京に行きます。Which means I'm going to Tokyo to see my boyfriend. I'm going to Tokyo to see my boyfriend. In this sentence, you see that they use the verb 会う, right? 会う is mean meet or to see. And after that, followed by ために, right? So, they mean 彼氏に会うために which mean to, right? To see my boyfriend, right? Tokyo に行きます. I'm going to Tokyo, right? So when you translate, you should translate the back to the front. or the end of the sentence to the front of the sentence. So that means you go to Tokyo to meet your boyfriend, right? So that means you do something for something. You go to Tokyo to meet your boyfriend. So they say 彼氏に会うために東京に行きます. Something like this. For example, maybe you can say your parents work hard for your future, right? So you can say ご両親は一生懸命働く。子供のためにご両親は一生懸命働く。Right? This means the parents work hard for their children. Something like this. An example. 今度の面接のためにこのスーツを買いました。今度の面接のためにこのスーツを買いました。Which means that I bought this suit for my upcoming interview. I bought this suit for my upcoming interview. Right. So in this sentence, they use the noun, right? In our noun in here is mensetsu. So between the noun and tameni, they put no, right? Between. So you can say mensetsu no tame, which means to for my interview, right? In here we translate for my interview. We don't translate to be to, right? We say for my interview. このスーツを買いました。This means I bought this suit, right, for my upcoming interview. So that means you bought this suit for your upcoming interview. That you do something for something. Next example. 健康のために毎朝走っています。健康のために毎朝に走っています。Which means, for my health, I go running every morning. For my health, I go running every morning. So in this sentence, tameni we translate for to be for. Kenko no tame. In here, we use the noun, right? The noun with tameni, so we put the no between. Kenko is noun, so between noun and tameni we put no. So we can say. Kenko no tameni for your health, right? In this sentence. 毎朝に走っています。I'm going running every morning, right? For my health. You going to running every morning for your health, right? So, for example, you can say, 田中さんは健康のために毎朝に走っています。This means Mr. Tanaka-san goes running every morning for his health, something like this. So to summarize for how to use the grammar of tameni, which means that you do something for something or something happen for something, right? So I hope that you understand about how to use the grammar of tameni. It's very easy for how to use. You can use for your daily work, right? I go to school to learning Japanese, to learning, right? I go to school for what? For myself, for my future, or for my friends, or for my girlfriend, for my parents, right? But actually, you go to school for your future, for your education, right? So you can say 将来のために学校へ行きます、right? 家族のために一生懸命働きます、right? 子供のために一生懸命働きます、right? Or you can say 車を買うために 貯金します right 節約します right so you can say you can work hard for your family your boyfriend your girlfriend or you work hard for to buy a car